Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the ringtone on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So all you have to do is simply open settings. So find the settings icon on the home screen on the app drawer and tap on it. And then scroll down and select sound and vibration. And then within the sounds and vibration settings, simply tap on ringtone. And then this will take you to the ringtone section. Now there's a couple of options you can choose from this ringtone page. If you want a pre-installed ringtones that come with the phone, you can simply tap on this option, pre-installed ringtones. But if you want to select a custom ringtone, you can simply select choose local ringtone. So for now, I'll just choose a pre-installed ringtone. And then simply tap on the ringtone option. And then now you should see a list of all available ringtones that come pre-installed on your phone. So scroll down and find the ringtone you'd prefer. So let's say this one. And as you select it, you'll hear a preview of that particular ringtone. So let me just find another one. So let's say if you want this one, so tap on it. And you can hear that ringtone. Now once you select it, all you have to do is simply exit the settings and the changes will be applied. So that's basically it on how to change the ringtone on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.